Good morning. I've quite literally just woken up. So today we're going to a market, and I really wanted to film, I guess, like me going around shopping and looking at all the secondhand clothes and stuff. But also I kind of wanted to get bold and film people's outfits, like people that are actually at the market. So we're going to see how that goes, because that could be cool, but it could also be kind of weird, like uncomfortable, I mean, for me, but I really want to do it because I feel really inspired right now. Yeah, so we're gonna go look at some secondhand clothes, hopefully get some cool people's outfits, and then if I buy anything, I guess I'll do a haul at the end. So let's go. Okay, so today's makeup is basically this one right here, but obviously I've done it with pink instead of black. I don't know, I just thought that would be fun. So that's what I'm doing for today's makeup, and now I'm going to pick like what I want to wear. And because I'm going to be filming people's outfits today, I want to make sure that it's an outfit that looks good so that people like believe that I'm fashionable and would want to talk to me. So what I'm doing now is I'm just zooming through my Pinterest and just seeing if anything kind of takes my fancy. I really like the look of this, so maybe I could do something like that. Yeah, something like that is kind of cool. And I also like this one at the moment, and I also like this kind of vibe. So you all know who I am, don't take me. So I'm wearing, to be honest, all of this is just fabric that I got from a fabric store. So my whole thing is kind of just hanging on by a thread. So all fabric from the fabric store. This is bridal tulle. These I believe are from like a $2 store, and I've just kind of like looped them through the skirt. The bag is thrifted. I have borrowed it off my housemate. And then the shoes, these are New Rocks. And that's the whole outfit. So tell me your name and what you're wearing head to toe.
So my name's Alina. I'm wearing this jacket here, my bag and my necklace are Vivienne Westwood.
Yep.
And love this piece.
Yes, it's gorgeous.
The dress is a 80s thrifted prom dress.
Beautiful.
And got my New Rocks on as well.
Gothic Vivienne Westwood, we love it. Beautiful, you look amazing. And what's your Instagram handle?
ghosties_gal.
Perfect. Sweet.
내 여자친구야 아침 뭐 할까
I'm Lizzie and I'm wearing a Hara label boob tube, a Fendi belt, vintage skirt and off-white Nikes.
Amazing, you look so good, Lizzie. And this is Lizzie's shop.
My name is India and I'm wearing Best and Last.
Yeah, sweet.
I've got my brand Speraro.
What was your brand again?
Speraro.
Amazing.
Just screen printed jeans, and then I've got some Reebok beatniks.
Sweet, awesome.
That's about it.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Kat Margarita. I'm wearing some vintage Mambo.
Amazing. Oh, cool, the back's amazing.
Thank you. I'm wearing my own earring. Well, I'm just wearing one earring,
yes, I've got a
but these
little,
are my earrings.
Oh, those are cool. And we've got more earrings down here, right?
Lots more.
Beautiful.
And then my favorite pair from my vintage cowboy boot collection.
Oh shit, those are so cool. Can I get a close up?
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, they're sweet. Amazing.
Needs some more at the moment. They're a bit worn, but
Nah, they're so cool. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Shaylin and I'm wearing a Wrangler denim jumpsuit, thrifted.
A thrifted? Oh my god, that's so good. And your shoes?
My shoes, I actually have no idea where these ones are from. I think I know them or something, but yeah, everything that I have is usually thrifted.
Amazing, you look so good. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm on the front foot and I'm wearing short fluffy and then
Amazing. We got the dogs on the bottom. Your outfit is so cool. Do you mind if I get a close up of the... Yeah, sweet. Ah, that's so cool. Thank you so much.
Cotton On sunglasses, vintage Disneyland tee. My jeans are from Lee's.
Yep.
My sandals are from Sukkot.
Sweet.
And my bag is by a designer called Hello Sissy, which I love.
Yes.
It was a custom one for my birthday.
I love this bag. Honestly, this bag is so freaking cool. What's
Yeah,
it made from? It's like plastic, right?
Yeah, and so what actually happened is my boyfriend contacted her and said, hey, my girlfriend really loves pink and green and she loves comic books. Can you just make something from that? And
Yep.
she took it and ran with it, and I love it. It's one of a kind.
Yeah.
I'm so happy with it. It's the best.
Super cool. Thank you.
My name is Jean and start with sunnies. These are some vintage 90s sunnies I got online. My crystal is from Spellbox, Jasper Dalmatian. I've got my tote over here that a friend gifted me when she was in Russia. It's from a Russian museum, some painting of some train driving ladies. This dress I just got from an op shop, and my shoes are Nike and they're velvet pink that I got sent from the UK.
Yes, and they perfectly match the colours in the dress, which is awesome. Okay, I'm back from the market now. It's actually been 2 days since I went there, and I obviously just wanted to show you all what I picked up. So the first item I picked up was this backpack. It's just a plain black faux leather backpack with a silver zip detail. I just need a backpack for work, and also like when I'm running errands and don't want to have like a side bag on me, or if I'm like, yeah, like going further out away from my house and my like bum bag isn't enough. So I just picked that up for $10. It's in really good condition. I believe it's originally from Sports Girl. The next item I picked up was this pair of black slightly mesh like really wide leg flare pants. I'll put some videos over the top of me wearing these so you can actually see what they look like and get an idea. But they're just a little bit see-through, and I feel like with a G-string on, this would be like a fun peekaboo G-string moment. And yeah, they were $10 as well. The person who was running the stall, I actually got a shot of what they were wearing, which you would have seen in the like part where I film people's outfits. And I just think these are going to be really comfy for work as well, and also for summer. They're a little bit big on me, so I do have to kind of figure out how I'm going to like make them a little bit smaller. I might have to go in and cut the elastic and re-sew it tighter. But yeah, super happy with those. Also, can we just pay some respect to the freaking beautiful makeup that I've done today? And when I say makeup, I don't even mean makeup, I just mean like eyes. And then lastly, this piece is so cool, and I'm so happy I picked it up. Again, it was $10, but my friend had a stall there and they were selling just like all of their clothes, and we have, I wouldn't say we have like a super similar style, but we definitely have some pieces that we would like both wear. And I picked up this cropped shirt. I freaking love this. Obviously it's black, my color, and then baby pink, my second color, and in Gothic script it says Sexpo on it. Will YouTube get angry at that? I don't know. Anyway, whatever. YouTube can just deal with it. And yeah, I just love this crop so much. I just think it's one of those staple pieces in my closet, especially for summer. It's just going to be like really nice and fun and cheeky and very me. Okay, and that's all that I bought. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and also enjoyed watching me find the courage to ask people what they're wearing and ask if they would like to be filmed. I would love to do more stuff like that, but I do get a little bit nervous doing it, so we'll just see like what events and stuff I go into in the future and whether I do more stuff like that. But anyway, again, thank you all so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite outfit was and which piece of the ones that I purchased that you like the most, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
내 여자친구야